Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analyses of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of instant ramen with a product that needs no introduction: Maruchan Ramen Chicken. Let's find out why this is considered the best instant ramen out there. Right off the bat, let's talk about convenience. With its compact 3-ounce size and easy-to-prepare nature, Maruchan Ramen Chicken is perfect for those quick meals or impromptu cravings. Just add hot water, a dash of patience, and voila! Your steaming bowl of ramen is ready to be devoured. Now, let's get into the star of the show, the chicken flavor. With each slurp, you're met with a burst of familiar poultry goodness that truly satisfies. The savory broth, infused with hints of umami and nostalgia, warms both your taste buds and your heart. The noodles, though humble in appearance, are surprisingly satisfying. Al dente and pleasantly chewy, they soak up the flavorful broth, creating a delightful symphony of textures with each mouthful. The seasoning packet. This little sachet holds the power to elevate your ramen experience to new heights. While the chicken flavor is present, some may find it lacks the depth and complexity they desire. But fear not. A sprinkle of additional spices or herbs can easily remedy this. In conclusion, Maruchan Ramen Chicken remains a reliable go-to for a quick, budget-friendly meal. It may not boast the complexity of a gourmet dish, but it provides a warm and comforting experience that will transport you back to those carefree days. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried Maruchan Ramen Chicken, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy eating!